Frazzle. There her is. She's getting so much fuller. She has gained a lot of weight. And she's looking good. But I'm concerned about her little mouth. Maybe her tongue freezing or something like that. I noticed there's a split in the bottom of it. So I'm a little worried about her. She's doing good. She eats constantly, tries to find little things to do. She can find here. And then look here at those two troublemakers. Yeah, I'm talking to you. My two troublemakers that do not like the winter at all. And they have my really good Tupperware over there because today I brought them out some warm food. And then I just filled it with water again for them. So they got my good Tupperware. There they are, Wang and Lotus. They have a couple of eggs over there. I haven't gone over there and gotten them yet. They're probably frozen. But there's Friction back there. There you go. This is how we're keeping them warm. I'm not opening the window because it's too much air coming in, so I need to plastic that up soon. And there's a few other places I'm going to plastic up in here to make it a little more gooder. Huh. There they are. December. Let's look outside. Oh, see out their hole? Their eggs are right underneath there. I got them covered up. Let's go outside. Oh, and there's the snow, guys. Ooh, it's a nasty day out here. Y'all have a great day. Stay warm. Hugs from a distance.